Hi, this is Watson with Security Alarm, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to change your system battery in your Lynx 5210s, Lynx 7000 panels. The first thing you want to do before you get started is put the system on test. You can call us at 618-548-5768. Just give us your information, we'll get you on test. We can also, because when you have a low battery, it's going to show up on the panel, and it may be something that you've gotten a call from Security Central or through Total Connect. You're going to get probably a message that way, but it will display low battery on your system, and that means it just needs to be replaced. So we can get that model number for you, and you can order it on Amazon Prime if you want, or through us. It's the same cost. But the first thing you do, of course, you get it on test, and then you're gonna get you a tool. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head. This is a combo, has both. So the first thing you're gonna do after you have the system on test is get your flathead screwdriver, and at the top of here, there's two little release tabs. This is an all-in-one system, so it's everything in here, the battery, the panel, and the keypad. So the first thing you do is pop those tabs, push them in with the flathead screwdriver, just push them in. And you're gonna get a cover tamper, that's fine. Just hit the home button, that'll silence it, you don't have to hear it. And you've got a battery pack in here. This is where you're gonna wanna have your phillips-head screwdriver to get this out. And simply unplug it first. And I have it already unplugged to demonstrate what it looks like as a low battery. But your low battery will only plug in here. So you're just gonna unplug it. And then with your Phillips head, you wanna make sure that battery is secure with your other finger, because this little bracket keeps that battery secure. So it doesn't just fall out onto the floor when you open the panel. You want this little bracket in here, and that's all that does. So this is what the battery pack looks like. It's just a bunch of AA batteries in a pack that are chargeable. So this panel is always charging these like a trickle charge. Like when you lose power, it'll charge them back up. But after about 3 to 5 years-ish, you're gonna wanna have this replaced, and the panel will tell you when it's not good anymore, which is nice. So once you get the new battery, you're just going to simply put that in there. Your bracket, you wanna get in the bottom first, and then with your screwdriver, get that screw back in. And that way that battery is secure. Once that's secure, the battery doesn't go anywhere. You're gonna just take this little plug it back in, push it firmly. And again, it only goes in one spot. It does not go anywhere else. It has one place, and so you can't put it in backwards. So once you do that, you're just gonna make sure the wires are out of the way. Give it a push at the top really good, because you want that in. You're gonna hit the home button. Sometimes you have to hit it twice to get to the number pad, and you're just gonna enter your code. Once you enter your code, it's gonna clear your troubles. It'll clear your tamper trouble, because you have the secured and shut. If the cover tamper doesn't go away, you may have to push a little bit harder. And the low battery might take about a minute or two before it actually clears. Just keep watching it, it'll clear automatically. And right now I have it ready to arm, ready to go another 3 to 5 years on that battery. If you have any questions, call our office at 618-548-5768. Thank you.